We purchased this lot back in 2017. We had our dream house built. We were currently living in the city beforehand. We wanted to be out in the nature, out in peace and quiet. We finally picked this lot because of the location and because how beautiful and serene it was. We wanted to move our fence line out and install an in-ground pool. We contacted a landscaping company to come out to help us. We gave them what we envisioned. We worked with a pool company. We had everything sorted out, and the landscaping company on August the 12th started bringing out fill to us. We had about 8 dump truck loads worth of fill brought in, and on August the 13th we were shut down by the Mississippi Valley Conservation Authority. We were told no pool at all. We had no idea about any of this. When we purchased the lot in 2017, we were never told about any of these restrictions or regulations. In fact, they didn't come into effect until 30 days after we moved into the house. We've lost complete control, complete rights over our entire lot. We own 3.62 acres here, and there's a tiny chunk of land at the front of our lot that the Mississippi Valley Conservation Authority does not have rights on. Everything else, it's up to them what we can and cannot do.
Does that seem fair?
Not at all. Not at all. This water here does dry up each summer. We have numerous ducks, numerous geese, birds, wildlife, so many beautiful creatures here in the spring and throughout the summer, and our intention was never to get rid of the water, get rid of their home. It's their home as much as it is ours, and all we wanted to do was make a little bit more livable space for us. We are extremely frustrated. We've, like I said, have lost all control over our lot and our land. God only knows how much money we've lost in putting into this home, if we'd ever be able to resell it now at this point. So we're left with a yard that looks like a bomb went off.